Today I'm revealing the top 5 best trailer light kits to see which one actually holds up when you're backing down a boat ramp or hauling at night. I went through the best sellers on Amazon, looked at real-world stuff, brightness, waterproofing, how annoying they are to install, not just what the box says. If you're rewiring a trailer right now, I dropped all 5 links in the description so you can check current prices after. Let's get into it. Number 5. Partsum Trailer Light Kit. Alright, so this one is literally the #1 bestseller in trailer lighting on Amazon. Like, if you search trailer lights, this is what pops up. And I get why. So first thing, this is lights only. No harness, just 2 lights, 2 gaskets, 4 screws. So if your old wiring is completely rotted, you will need to buy a harness separately. Keep that in mind. But for what it is really good. Driver side has 19 diodes. Passenger has 15. And it has got that 7-function setup on the driver's side. Stoplight, turn signal, tail light, rear reflex reflector, side marker, side reflex reflector, plus license plate illuminator. Passenger side does 6, everything except the license light. It is ingress protection 68, completely sealed, acrylic lens, engineered to block water out. The circuit board is sealed. Department of Transportation compliant, submersible. The dimensions are like 4.5 by 5 inches, stud mount, super easy to bolt on. What I liked, it is insanely bright for the size, like really bright. True ingress protection, 68. You can dunk it. Proven bestseller, so parts are easy to find. And low draw, so you can add more lights if you want. Pros. Insanely bright for the size. True IP68, fully submersible waterproof. #1 bestseller. Proven. Very low power draw, easy wiring. Cons. No wiring harness included. License light only one side. Number 4. LINKITOM Trailer Light Kit. Now this one is a full kit, and I found it is made specifically for wider trailers. So if you have a car hauler, big boat trailer, anything over 80 inches wide, this is kind of built for you. You can use it under 80 too, you will just have extra markers. What you get in the box is a lot. 2 rectangular stop-turn tail lights, 6 mini oval side fender marker lights, that is 2 red and 4 amber, plus a 15-inch red third brake identification light bar, a 25-foot wiring harness, license plate bracket, and 4 reflective stickers. It is fully submersible, sealed, Department of Transportation certified, so legal for highway. Stud mount, pretty straightforward to install. Brightness is good. It is not that piercing bright like the Partsum, it is more even, diffused. The identification bar in the back makes your trailer look finished, like factory. What I liked, full kit for wide trailers, includes that identification bar and all markers. Department of Transportation certified and submersible, and honestly good value for what you get. Pros. Full kit for wide trailers. Includes ID light bar and markers. DOT certified, submersible design. Good value for what's included. Cons. Rectangular style, not for everyone. Wiring can be little thin. Number 3. Agrieyes Trailer Light Kit. Okay, this one. I was skeptical at first. Wireless trailer lights. But then I realized wiring is literally the worst part of trailer lights. It always corrodes, always breaks somewhere under the trailer. This just skips the whole problem. So you get 2 lights. Magnetic base, rubber coated so it does not scratch your truck or trailer paint. You get 2 mounting options. Magnetic, which takes like 30 seconds, you just slap it on. Or screw mount if you want it permanent. And they tell you, use washers if you switch between them. Do not remove the magnet completely for best performance. It comes with a wireless transmitter. It has a built-in antenna, 2.4 GHz transmission, premium chips, range over 100 feet, like 30.5 meters. So even if you have a long trailer, extra long and wide, signal stays stable. Cross-state towing. Guys are using this. The transmitter has 2 connectors, standard 7-pin round to 4-pin flat, so it fits most trucks. If your truck has different socket, you just use a converter. It is Department of Transportation compliant. Tail, brake, turn, license plate lights. Plus, it actually includes reflectors. So when you are parked on the side of the road, you are still visible. That is a nice safety thing. Pros. 0 wiring. 30-second install. 100 feet stable wireless range. USB-C fast charge. 9-hour runtime. IP67 waterproof and super portable. Cons. Need to remember to charge. More expensive than wired kits. Alright, number 2, Fouwick Trailer Light Kit. Build quality first. Polycarbonate lens, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene housing, and they use what they call sonic welding sealing technology. Every potential gap, wire entrance, lens edge, sealed with marine-grade glue. Fully sealed circuit board. They say they tested it underwater for 3 hours. Ingress protection, 67, waterproof. Can handle sand, water, dirt, snow, dust, seawater. It is Department of Transportation, Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, 108 compliant, high visibility, high intensity, light emitting diodes. Stop, tail, turn signal functions. Way brighter than incandescent, especially in low light or fog. Function, 7 in 1. Left light does rear turn signal, tail, stop, side marker, rear reflector, side reflector, plus license plate lamp. Right side does 6. Same except no license, so full functions. Kit-wise, this is the upgraded one. 2 square combination tail lights, 2 amber clearance lights, license plate bracket, mounting hardware, and an upgraded 22-foot plus 4-foot harness. And the harness is the key. 18 American wire gauge pure copper, 100% copper, not aluminum. Ultraviolet coated jacket. That means corrosion resistance, especially salt water. That is where cheap kits fail. Pros: marine grade glue sealing, truly waterproof. Pure copper 18 AWG upgraded harness. Full 7-function dot compliant lights. Great brightness for night safety. Cons: brand less known than MAXXHAUL. Instructions could be clearer. And number 1, MAXXHAUL Trailer Light Kit, the classic. If you have ever searched best trailer light kits, you have seen this one. Over 16,000 ratings. Top 3 in trailer lighting for years. There is a reason it stays. It is a complete light kit. 2 12-volt light-emitting diode stop, tail, turn signal lights, 2 amber clearance lights, a license plate bracket, and a wiring harness. Universal fit for trailers under 80 inches wide. Perfect for utility, boat, recreational vehicle, snowmobile, camper. Light-emitting diodes are premium, long-lasting, superior visibility, way better longevity than incandescent. Long life. Easy installation. It comes with a 22-foot split Y-style, color-coded wiring harness. Streamlined, hassle-free. You spend less time on setup, more time on the road. The harness has ultraviolet coated jackets, enhances durability. Department of Transportation compliant. Engineered to adhere to Department of Transportation Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, 108 regulations. So you are road legal. And price. This is usually around $25 to $30. That is crazy for a full kit. Pros: complete kit with everything included. Easiest color-coded Y-harness install. Proven 16,000 plus ratings, super reliable. DOT compliant and very affordable. Cons: under 80-inch only, not for wide trailers. Basic square design, not fancy. If you just need cheap replacement lights and you already have wiring, get the Part Sam. If you have a wide trailer over 80 inches, LINKITOM. If you hate wiring or have multiple trailers, the Agrieyes T28 wireless. If you launch in saltwater a lot and want the best sealed wired kit, Fouwick. And if you want the safe bet that everyone buys, cheap, complete and easy to install, MAXXHAUL. Hopefully this helped you decide which one fits your trailer. Links to all 5 are in the description if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.